Have you ever noticed that your erections aren't what they used to be? Maybe you're exercising, eating right, even taking supplements, and yet something feels off. It almost feels unfair, doesn't it? Like your body is betraying you after decades of taking care of it. But here's the good news. There are simple, natural ways to help your body perform the way it was designed to, even after 50. And today, I want to share one of the easiest, most overlooked habits that can support firmer, more reliable erections, improve your energy, and help you feel confident in your body again, all by chewing for just 60 seconds a day. I'm Dr. Nora Hayes, and I've spent the past 7 years helping men restore circulation, hormone balance, and sexual vitality naturally. I know what works and what doesn't, and I promise you don't need complicated routines or expensive pills. Before we dive in, tell me in the comments, where are you watching from and how long have you noticed changes in your erections? I'd love to hear your story. And while you do that, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Because the simple habit I'm about to show you could change your mornings, your energy, and your confidence. You might be thinking, chewing? Seriously? How is that supposed to improve erections? Here's the science. When you chew, you activate saliva, which contains enzymes that start breaking down food immediately. That means your body absorbs the nutrients faster and more efficiently. At the same time, chewing sends signals to your nervous system to wake up circulation. More blood flow, more oxygen, more energy, exactly what your body needs for stronger erections. For men over 50, this is critical. Digestion slows with age, nutrient absorption declines, and even if you eat all the right foods, your body might not be getting the full benefit. Chewing thoroughly ensures nutrients are actually fueling your body, rather than passing through unused. Combine this with specific natural foods, and you get a triple boost: circulation, hormone support, and energy, all in one small daily ritual. You may have heard that pills are the only solution, or that sexual vitality inevitably declines after 50. That's just not true. Your body is capable of performing naturally even as you age. You just need the right nutrients and the right signals to wake up your circulation and hormones. By chewing certain natural foods daily, you're not only supporting erections, you're also protecting your heart, prostate, and overall energy. And the best part? These improvements are sustainable. Unlike pills that work temporarily or have side effects, this habit strengthens the foundation of your health. Over the past 7 years, I've worked with countless men who thought they were too old to feel confident in the bedroom. Men who were worried about disappointing their partners, frustrated by inconsistent performance, or simply feeling less vital. The men who saw the most improvement all had one thing in common: a consistent daily habit that improved circulation, hormones, and energy naturally. And here's the key. It's not about force, expensive supplements, or complex routines. It's about small, consistent actions that your body can actually use. Now let's get practical. These are the top 3 foods I recommend for men over 50. Each one works in a slightly different way, but all 3 support circulation, testosterone, and energy. 1. Garlic, nature's circulation tonic. I know what you're thinking. Garlic, that sounds intense. But hear me out, it's one of nature's most powerful circulation boosters. When you chew raw garlic for 30 to 60 seconds, it releases compounds called allicin and sulfur compounds. These are only activated when garlic is crushed or chewed. Here's what happens in your body. Nitric oxide production increases. Nitric oxide relaxes and widens blood vessels, allowing blood to flow freely to your penis. Without it, erections can be weak, short-lived, or inconsistent. Blood is slightly thinned, reducing pressure on your arteries and keeping them flexible. Overall circulation improves, not just in your pelvic region, but throughout your body. Emotionally, this means more confidence. You're not guessing if it will work anymore. You know your body is getting the support it needs. Practically, chewing a small clove of garlic daily can boost your stamina, energy, and even recovery after exercise. Tips to make it easier. Slice a clove in half and let it sit for a minute before chewing. This fully activates the allicin and mix with honey or warm water to make it more tolerable. 1 small clove daily is enough. Don't overdo it, as raw garlic can upset your stomach. Over a few weeks, you'll notice firmer erections, higher energy, and improved prostate comfort. Fewer nighttime trips to the bathroom, less pressure on your bladder, and an overall lighter, more energized feeling. 2. Ginger, the circulation and hormone booster. Next up, ginger. This root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern science confirms its benefits. Chewing a thin slice, about the size of your thumbnail, for 60 seconds releases compounds called gingerols and shogaols, which help relax blood vessels and increase circulation to the pelvic region, reduce inflammation, support healthy testosterone levels. Biologically, you'll feel a warming sensation as blood flows more freely. Emotionally, this helps reduce stress and anxiety, making it easier to relax into intimacy. Practically, ginger supports digestion, reduces bloating, and frees up energy for daily life and the bedroom. How to do it? Cut a thin slice of fresh ginger about the size of your thumbnail. Chew slowly for 1 minute once a day. Optionally, pair with honey or warm water for easier taste. Over time, ginger supports stronger erections, better energy, and smoother digestion, while also helping calm your nervous system so stress doesn't interfere with performance. 3. Walnuts. Nature's hormone and circulation support. Finally, let's talk about walnuts. Chewing 1 to 2 small handfuls slowly each day can make a big difference. Here's why. Walnuts are rich in arginine, which your body uses to produce nitric oxide. More nitric oxide equals better blood flow to the penis. They contain healthy omega-3 fats, which are essential for testosterone production. Without these fats, hormone levels can dip, leaving you feeling less vital. Chewing slowly helps release these oils so your body can absorb them fully. It also allows your digestive system time to process nutrients efficiently. Biologically, stronger blood flow, more testosterone, less inflammation. Emotionally, more confidence, steadier energy, improved mood. Practically, better stamina, firmer erections, more energy for daily activity. Tips: use raw, unsalted walnuts for maximum benefit. Chew slowly for 60 seconds daily. Enjoy with breakfast or after dinner. Over weeks, men notice more natural energy, stronger erections, and better hormone balance. And the benefits go beyond sexual health. Walnuts support heart health, brain function, and overall vitality. Here's how to start. Pick one food to begin with: garlic, ginger, or walnuts. Chew thoroughly for 60 seconds once a day. Choose a consistent time, after a meal or in the evening. Pair with a balanced diet and avoid late-night overeating or heavy alcohol. Be consistent. Small daily actions over weeks bring the biggest results. Remember, less is more. Too much garlic or ginger can irritate your stomach. 1 small clove, 1 thin slice, or a handful of walnuts is enough. I know some of you might be skeptical. Can chewing really make a difference at my age? The answer is yes. Age is not the end of vitality. Men in their 50s, 60s, and even 70s have regained erections, energy, and confidence just by consistently chewing these foods and supporting circulation naturally. It's gentle, steady, and effective, giving your body the tools it needs without forcing or overwhelming it. Here's my challenge. Pick one food tonight, chew it slowly for 60 seconds, and do it consistently for the next few weeks. Notice how your energy changes, how your stamina improves, and how your confidence grows, not just in the bedroom, but in life. Your best years aren't behind you. With simple, natural habits, you can support your heart, hormones, and sexual vitality, all while boosting overall health. If this video gave you new insight, subscribe to the channel for more practical tips for men over 50. Share this with a friend who might benefit. Remember, small, consistent actions create big changes. 1 minute a day and your body can start performing like it did decades ago. I'm Dr. Nora Hayes, reminding you your vitality isn't gone. It just needs the right tools. Start today.